So we want to look at this grade 10 questions, that is starting with algebraic expression. Here with the question 1, you have 3x squared y exponent negative 1 by 2x exponent 3 exponent negative 3 y exponent 4, so all divided by 6x exponent negative 1 y squared. Right, so with this, can simplify what is at the top. We have 2 by 3, that will give us 6. The x, since it is multiplication, you will add, that will be 2 plus minus 3 here. Then with the y, you have minus 1 plus 4, all divided by, we have 6x exponent negative 1 y squared. Right, so with this we have 6x exponent, this will give you a negative 1, then y exponent, that is 3, all divided by, you have the 6 here, x exponent negative 1, y exponent was 2. So obviously 6, we divide 6 giving us 1, and with the x, we have minus 1, call it division, becomes minus 1, and the y we have 3 minus 2. Right, that is division. Lots of indices, division goes with what? Subtraction. So here 1x will give you the same x, but this will be 0, that's negative 1 plus 1, so that is 0, and y exponent 3 minus 2, that is 1. So any number to the exponent of 0, that is what? 1. So that will be 1, y exponent was 1. So we have y exponent 1 as what? The answer. Or y, just simply write what? Y as the answer. So I hope that this is very simple for all of us. Right. Good. Then I want to move to the factorization. We can also try it. We have 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. I want to factorize this quadratic equation here. Can tell us your comment. Right, so let's look at this factorization here. Right, so the factorization here, I want to look at it. Right, so with this, we have 2x squared minus 7x, and that's plus 3 equal to 0. Right, so with this, the 2 will multiply the 3 here, and we get 6. So we need the factors so that we can factorize this quadratic equation. Right, so 2 numbers that you multiply, you get positive 6, but the same 2 numbers, when you add, you get negative 7. Right, so that will be minus 1 and minus 6 are going to be our factors, because negative 1 times negative 6, that will give you positive what? 6. That will give us positive 6. and -1 plus -6, that will give us -7, which is the B term here. So now you have 2x squared, then you have minus 1x, so you attach x to this. You have minus 6x plus 3. So now it becomes factorization involving 4 expressions here. So can just group it like this, 2, 2. Look for the common term here, that is x. So x is out. You have this will be left 2x, and you take x from here, 2x minus, if x is not there, you have 1, right? So minus, here what is common is obviously 3. 3 is a factor here, so 3 out. Then 3 into 6, that is 2, so that will be 2. Then you attach the x to it. Negative by positive, that will give us negative, so that will be minus. Then 3 into 3, that is what? 1. So you can see that what is in the brackets are the same, so you group it in one bracket, that's 2x minus 1. Then we have x minus 3. So all this is equal to what? 0. 0. So here I have to factorize and solve. We have 2x minus 1 equals 0. So to solve this particular one, we have 2x equals 1. Then divide through by the coefficients. 2x on 2, 1 on 2. So this cancels, you have x to be half. Right. Then you can also solve for, that is x minus 3. So x minus 3 equals 0. So the x is equal to what? 3. So therefore your x is equal to 1 on 2 or 3. Right. Hope this is simple. Can also solve the we have logarithm there. The log can solve the logarithm for us. The log, we have logarithm equation here, which you can also look at it and solve it for us. So we have log base 10x plus the log of base 10, which is x minus 3 equals 1. Right. Equals 1. So do this. We have the log of base 10x plus the log base 10x minus 3. Now you can write the 1 in terms of logarithm as log base 10 and what? Log 10 base 10. Good. Right, so with this, we will be having, because of the addition here, this will be what? Multiplication. So we have log, then we have x, and x minus 3 log is 10. So by taking the logarithm out, we take the logarithm out, we are having x bracket open x minus 3 equals 10. So we can expand this. We have x by x, that is x squared, and this minus 3x equals to what? 10. So by grouping it, we have x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. So now it becomes quadratic equation. So this is very simple here to solve. So we leave it for you to solve, then also solve the sign and out of the trigonometric equation or the question that we have, we have statistics there to find the mean. Also, we'll be back at dawn exactly 3 o'clock. Right, so you look at the questions well, you try, solve it, be back.